solid ground beneath you. It's meant to hold you up. From the earth up through your shoes, to give you strength and make you tough. It will give you just enough. Expect nothing less from love. As constant as the ocean tide, it's meant to come and go. The moon and wind will make it rise, no matter how hard it blows. It is always there, you know. Expect nothing less from love. We want too much, we try our best. We are cursed and we are blessed. It is a journey and a test, and you must expect nothing less. Life in our life is like the sky. We look for our guiding star. Sometimes it's invisible to our eyes, sometimes it is too far. And I will say, wherever you are, expect nothing less from love. We want too much, we try our best. We are cursed and we are blessed. It is a journey and a test, and you must expect nothing less. Love in our life is like the sky. We look for our guiding star. Sometimes it's invisible to our eyes, sometimes it is too far. And I will say, whoever you are, expect nothing less from love. Expect nothing less from love. Expect nothing less from love. Thank you. What a beautiful song written by Freddie Bradburn.